2004, the RAAF's newest warbirds touched down on Australian soil for the first time at Queensland's Amberley base. The initial group of 6 F-111 fighter bombers lands after a ferry flight of 8,000 miles from the United States. Another 18 of the streamlined beauties are to follow, filling an Australian order worth $226 million. Before the first F-111 took to the skies in the 1960s, the cynics were saying they had to fail. The revolutionary swing wing would make it uncontrollable. And in fact, a series of crashes in the United States and Vietnam delayed Australia's delivery. But now, 9 years and 7 months after the initial order was placed, they're here, and the F-111 is being acclaimed as the greatest warplane ever built. Defence Minister Lance Barnard is delighted to welcome the RAAF's new strike aircraft. There have been 8 Australian Defence Ministers since they were first ordered. Like many Australians, some of them must have thought that D for delivery day would never come. Many of the men who'll keep the F-111s aloft have had extensive training in the United States. Now it's up to them to make sure the planes get the care and attention that'll keep them at the peak of operational proficiency till the 1980s.